Vitamin-rich balanced meal for complete daily support. One simple plate can cover most needs fast. My energy dropped even when I ate well. Meals looked full but felt empty in effect. Focus faded, recovery slowed, mood dipped. No extremes, just small gaps adding up. So I built one plate that worked consistently. How this meal works in simple terms. Nutrients work together to support absorption and use. Guidance from National Institutes of Health explains nutrient synergy. Mayo Clinic supports balanced meals over pills. Effects vary by portion and personal condition. The core meal I use daily. Eggs started the base. They provide protein and vitamin B12 for energy. Spinach added depth. Rich in iron and vitamin K for blood support. Avocado brought healthy fats. It helps absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A and E. Salmon completed the plate. It supplies vitamin D and omega-3 for heart and brain. Whole grains balanced everything. They support steady energy with fiber and B vitamins. Simple explanation of absorption. Fats help vitamins D, E, K absorb better. How to prepare it quickly. Cook eggs lightly with minimal oil. Add fresh or lightly sautéed spinach. Slice avocado over whole grain toast. Grill or bake salmon simply. Keep portions moderate and realistic. Not all foods suit everyone equally. Consult a doctor before diet changes. Possible side effects to note. Overeating may cause digestive discomfort. Practical tips for consistency. Prep ingredients in advance to save time. Rotate greens to avoid boredom. Track energy and focus after meals weekly. This is not instant magic. It is a steady system that supports real results. If this helped, tap like quickly. Start simple, stay consistent, feel better daily.